Imagine this, you're splitting a bill with friends after a fun night out. Papers fly, calculations get messy, and someone inevitably ends up owing that awkward leftover amount. Enter Vipps, the magic app that makes payments in Norway a breeze. Norway. But before you dive into the world of effortless transactions, you'll need to activate your Vipps account. Now, that might sound intimidating, but fear not. This video will be your one-stop guide to getting Vipps up and running in no time. So, grab your phone, settle in, and let's get those digital payments flowing. Requirements to activate Vipps. Before we dive into the activation process, let's make sure you have all the necessary ingredients. Norwegian mobile number, this is your key to the Vipps kingdom. Make sure it's registered in your name. Norwegian bank account, gotta have somewhere for that money to flow. Norwegian Visa or MasterCard, Vipps works hand in hand with these major card providers. Email address, you'll need this for account verification. Bank ID or Bank ID on mobile, this is a secure electronic identification system used in Norway. It's like a digital passport for your bank. If you're under 15, things get a bit different. You'll need your parents' help, and they'll both need active Vipps profiles with Bank ID verification. Activating your Vipps account, step by step. Alright, with the prerequisites squared away, let's get down to business. Here's how to activate your Vipps account. Download the Vipps app, head over to the App Store or Google Play and search for Vipps. Download and install the app, it's free. Open the app and choose Get Started. Enter your phone number, make sure it's the Norwegian number registered in your name. Verification time. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app. Bank details. Now comes the part where you connect your Vipps account to your financial life. Enter your Norwegian bank account information. Bank ID magic. This is where things get secure. You'll need to log in using your Bank ID or Bank ID on mobile. This verifies your identity and connects your bank account to Vipps. Congratulations! You've successfully activated your Vipps account. Now you're ready to experience the world of quick and easy payments. Bonus tip, don't forget to set a PIN code for added security within the Vipps app. This will be required for every transaction you make. Using Vipps, it's a piece of cake. Now that your Vipps account is activated, here are some ways you can use it. Send and receive money, splitting bills with friends. Sending money to family. Vipps makes it easy to transfer funds instantly between Vipps users. Pay online, many Norwegian stores and online platforms accept Vipps as a payment method. Just choose Vipps at checkout, enter your phone number, and confirm the payment within the app. Pay bills, forget paper invoices. With Vipps e-Factura, e-invoice, you can receive and pay bills electronically. Talk about convenience. Vipps, making everyday payments simpler. Vipps has revolutionized the way Norwegians handle their finances. It's fast, secure, and incredibly convenient. So, ditch the cash and embrace the world of digital payments. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy Vipsing.